What's up, everybody? It's back again with another video and shit. We got two new, not really, this ain't a mod, it's just this is a fucking battery from my new, not my new, but my camera, because I was having issues. Hopefully this shit fixes it and shit. Should come with the charger and everything. So right now I'm recording on my phone, but this box is it's my fucking lip. I'm excited because I hate seeing the Subi without a lip. This is literally my fourth lip I'm gonna be on right now. Hopefully this bitch don't break. The other one broke because of the snow, but yeah. And also, let me see real quick. So I can see, I painted my wheels white and shit. I'll show you guys here in a bit soon, but right now I'm gonna just unbox the things and then take out the bumper, bring it inside because it's a little chilly and shit. But yeah. Yeah, but like I said, this is my fucking fourth lip. And that's the reason why I didn't buy any expensive ones, because I knew damn well I was gonna break it since I went a little lower. That was my plan and shit. I told you guys I wasn't gonna go lower, but man, I just sent it, you know, I was like, fuck, I miss being low and shit. So yeah, this is a 3-piece lip shit, like I told you guys. It's not too expensive, it's like 60, 70 bucks. And yeah, it should come with hardware something in here. Yep. But like I said, I'll be right back with you guys. Let me just fucking assemble this bitch and then I'll hit you guys up here soon. Dude, I didn't know this one, I forgot I bought it like gloss black, so it's literally gonna match good with my bumper and shit. That's tight. And yeah, bro, but here it is. I got it all assembled in one piece, and it comes in 3 pieces and shit. I took out my bumper already, whatever, and I'm gonna just try to like mount it up good and then bolt it on, you know, see how it comes out. I'll catch you guys here in a bit. Yeah, that was only like, when it mounts right there, when it holds up, it's just 2 bolts on each side. Just not bolts, but like screws in there. Here comes the other ones. It comes with everything right there. And yeah, but yeah, I'm gonna see what I get done. Got it done, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11 bolts that you gotta do underneath and shit. And yeah, I mean, the fitment's pretty good. It's not bad, you know. There's not really, literally no gap all around. And it's kind of crazy though that this company, I already, you know, saw it on there and shit. And I was like, I'm just give it out a try, because this like, it was black, but I didn't think it was gonna be like gloss black type of shit. But here it is with the fucking lip and shit, whatever. And it's pretty nice. I don't fuck with that color so bad. That it's all gloss black, because usually when they come like this, they come like, I don't know if it's primer or what it is, but like, you know what I mean? It's like that like matte black type of shit. But here it is with the lip and shit. But right now I'm about to go install it, whatever, let you guys know how it looks and shit. But this is it with the lip. Look how low it sits, literally on the ground and shit. Like I said, yeah, I painted these white, and I used to be lower, but then I went up an inch because it was literally dragging everywhere. Yeah, it's just simple, you know. I'm easy. I mean, I got better at taking out my bumper shit, you know, because I'm used to taking shit off and on. But yeah, this is gonna be the whole video. It's a quick little video install. Catch you guys next time. You know, just subscribe, whatever. Peace.